Hey, Simon? Hey, yeah, it's Matt Loberstein. How's it going? What's up, guys? Late start to the vlog. Had a couple of consultation calls earlier today. Other than that, just been getting some work done. Main event of the day is the LA Amazon Seller Meetup, so I'm gonna head there pretty soon.
Oh shit, how's it going?
Where'd you park?
In here. I'll see you in there. How's it going? How are you guys doing?
This is my brother, Hiram. This is Matt.
I'm Matt. What's up, dude? How's it going?
How's it going, man?
Good.
Nice.
Damn, pretty solid turnout.
Yeah.
I think it's even bigger, right?
I got vapor distilled water for you, bro.
Oh, dude, of course. You know, I can't drink peasant water. Sweet. Not for the regulars.
So 3 days in a row hanging out.
I know, seriously, dude. Solid turnout.
22 people on a holiday.
Quite a turnout.
UK or whatever, right? And if you buy FOB, mean that you go into an agreement with your supplier, and you are, I'm guessing you guys buying FOB, Shanghai, Ningbo, Shenzhen, Hong Kong, things like that. So which means that your supplier is responsible to take the cargo to the port of whatever it is, Shanghai, Shenzhen, and then you as the buyer is responsible to do either the ocean freight or the air freight.
To the launch and a little bit after the launch. The good, the bad, the ugly, all the mistakes I made, all the things. If I could do it over again, I would do differently, but also a lot of good came from it. And I have a lot of friends, this is all they do is launch stuff on Amazon, and a lot of them are pretty jealous when I launched because I got 75 reviews barely trying. I just sent out a few emails and posted in a Facebook group that I had asking for reviews. So give it a little bit of background on me, how I came up with the company, what the company is, all that kind of fun stuff. So soul sucking when you're writing content pieces about 7 best dance tips and you've never danced a day in your life. So I'm an internet marketer, that's really what I am. And so when I was starting this new company, it had to fit a few different criteria. So one, it had to be a premium product. I didn't want to deal with trying to be the cheapest product or any of that kind of stuff. I wanted it to be at a niche market that was a premium.
Need some content. She's playing volleyball. Well, it's probably over now, but yeah, she didn't make it out today.
Brunch in like 2 weeks on a Sunday. Those usually do pretty well.
Don't you just have it right next door?
Oh, you have one?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to focus around Amazon, I figured just go harder on the marketing because I go to these crypto meets and they're just solely crypto, and they're big. And you got people like Brock Pierce coming to speak. You got people like Dan Fleshman coming to speak.
How is the crypto market?
It's pretty good.
Have the money to reinvest in your next order, so then that's like a problem, right? So the best place to be is to have some money in reserve for your next order. So literally no joke, just lost my car for like 20 minutes. This parking lot is super weird. We ended up, first off, thanks to Otto and Sam for helping me try to search. We ended up asking the dude, and this lot is super weird. Apparently, he said he had helped 10 people find their car just today. It's like, what the f is wrong with this lot? Anyways, Meetup was cool. I've definitely been a lot of them lately. Feel like I haven't given you guys much content today, though, other than what you've seen going on. So let me think of something good to say, at least to leave you with something. Basically, I'll just give a quick recap there were 2 talks. The first one was all about shipping, and basically just the key takeaway here is that you want to work with a freight forwarder who has experience with Amazon if you're going that route. If you're starting off really small, I would recommend just doing, ship it to your house, UPS, FedEx, something like that. But if you're starting to scale up or you're shipping at a larger quantity, use a freight forwarder, but not just the cheapest one you can find, because they're gonna just leave you stuck at the port or something. Use somebody that has done it to Amazon, has a warehouse where they can do the final palletizing or adding on the UPS or FedEx labels, that is super key. The other one, like, I mean, the main sort of takeaway is just build an audience somewhere. Like, I don't usually say where to do that, but, and also I say is like, you can absolutely still launch a product, just the PPC, have a great product. There's so much room for that. But the thing is that anything else you can do is going to just layer on top of a product launch or help as you scale and grow after a product launch. So, you know, the more you can do to build an audience of some kind somewhere, and literally that's why I don't like to say like, oh, build a Facebook group, because it could be a Facebook group, a YouTube channel, an Instagram, a Facebook page, an email list. But the more you can get people who are interested in your product in one place, it's gonna help you out not only to remarket to them for future product launches, but if you're doing that from the beginning, then you are ahead of the game and you're gonna have a better time than most people, because pretty much nobody's gonna do that from the start. I'm gonna just wrap up there. Hopefully this was a solid video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, also smash the like button. Wow, I said smash the like button. I said I would never do that. Gently tap the like button. You don't wanna break your phone or your computer or anything like that. The only reason I say that is it does make a big difference. So if you like these videos, please do so. And I'll see you in the next one.